What's up guys, your Biglee here. Today we are going to look into the dumbbell rowing. This is an integral part of any back workout, whether you're trying to build strength, whether you're trying to define your muscle, or whatever your goal is. This can improve your pulling strength and work on all those muscles of your back, including your lats, rhomboid, mid-trapezius, and the muscles around your spine. Many people try to kneel down with one knee on the bench and support with one arm and do the rowing, but I have a different way of doing it. I like to keep both my feet down, and I have a special angle that helps me hit those lower lats better. Always remember this guys, if you are in competitive sport, especially bodybuilding or men's physique, the way your lower lat pops out of your body gives you better score. So here we go. I try to go parallel to the floor, support my one arm onto the bench, keep my legs wide, grab the dumbbell, turn it a little inward. Usually people hold it here, but I try to hold it a little inward and try to pull it all the way to my hip and contract the back and get it all the way down and stretch. Some people try to move it forward like this. When you move it forward, you are actually missing the center of gravity, which means you're not putting stress on your muscle, but putting more stress on your joints. So a little tilt inwards to your hip, contract, stretch, hip, contract, stretch, hip, contract, and stretch, hip, contract, and stretch. I like to go pretty heavy on this move, somewhere between 8 to 10 reps, 4 to 5 sets, when I'm trying to build my back. And if I get closer to contest, I try to throw it with some other dumbbell movement as a superset, so that still I'm using heavy weights on this move, and then I can compromise on the load on the next move. So if you're looking to build thicker back when it comes to your rhomboid, lats, and your mid-traps, this is the best exercise you can choose. Until the next exercise, it's your Biglee, over and out.